Welcome. Welcome, dear friends. I offer you blessings from the universe. The Divine Spirit pours through today and offers us a blessing. These are affirmative prayer cards, and they come in this box. Yeah. The focus for today, let us see. Intellectual. I shall turn all the cards in its order so that we can join together in our consciousness. It's all about consciousness. They join together in our consciousness to open up to this spread. Intellectual. Thoughts, actions, and behaviors about life. Engaging in creative and mentally stimulating activities. Accepting oneself while seeking improvement. Expanding consciousness, knowledge, and skills. Sharing knowledge with others. Recognition. I know there is only one infinite spirit. This infinite spirit is the very essence of all creation in its infinite forms. This infinite spirit exists within all and is available everywhere. I am a spiritual being. I am made of the same matter as spirit. Spirit is whole and complete. I am whole and complete. Spirit is within me. I am one with spirit. I declare. Joy is the seed I plant in all my initiatives. Each seed is planted with love. I am specific and purposeful in my creation. I affectionately tend to my thought garden, gently removing the weeds to make room for a plentiful harvest. I am thankful for all that I am. I am thankful for all that I have. I am thankful for this day. I count my blessings each and every day. I give thanks for every opportunity I have to learn and grow. I lovingly release this treatment into the law, knowing that I have all that I require to live heaven on earth. Blessed be, blessed be, blessed be.